Hello everyone, my name is Jack, and today I'm going to show you our new product, AllLogic, a new AI assistant for traders. As you can see, our product supports 5 leading exchanges and has a 98% accuracy rate. I won't keep you waiting, let's get straight to the features. Automated trading. You can set up pre-made presets and choose a risk level from 0.5 to 80%. Multi-exchange support. You can trade and set triggers on different platforms. Our triggers are cross-platform. For example, you can set the first trigger on Binance and 2 more on Bybit. The main thing is that both of these exchanges need to be open. The most important thing I can say about our bot is that you don't need to provide API keys or any other exchange information. The bot works without them. You'll see how this works in the next videos. Also, I want to mention that we have a referral program. When you register, you immediately receive your own referral code. You can share it even while you're still on the Access waitlist. And there are no limits on the number of referrals. We're interested in having as many traders as possible learn about us. Now let's get to the best part. The airdrop, or rather, the alpha drop. If you join today, you'll start participating in the distribution of 320,000 tokens. The more you trade with us, the greater your reward will be. So let's move on to registration. To do this, just click Get Early Access anywhere on the site. Once you have navigated to the official website, you will need to carefully input and provide your full first and last name, your primary email address, your Ethereum wallet address, and the referral code. You can simply choose to leave the referral code field entirely blank if you do not currently have one. Immediately after you register your account, you will be sent a verification and confirmation email to your inbox to complete the process. You will also receive confirmation that you've been added to the whitelist by email, or you'll see it the next time you visit the site. What do we see? Congratulations and get started. That's about it. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next videos where I'll show the bot's dashboard and what you can do there.